In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages in Notion. If you use Notion a lot, your sidebar can get cluttered really quickly. You might have old projects, reference pages, or notes that you don't want to delete, but also don't need to see every day. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to hide those pages so your workspace feels cleaner and easier to navigate, while still keeping everything safe and accessible. We'll start by creating a dedicated page that will act as your hidden folder. In your Notion sidebar, look for the option to add a new page. This is usually found under your workspace or private section. Click on New Page. A blank page will open up, and this is going to be your container for all the content you want to hide from your main view. Next, give this page a clear and memorable name. In the title area at the top, type something like Hidden Page or Archive Hidden. The name doesn't affect how it works, but choosing a label that reminds you of its purpose will help you stay organized. You can also add an icon or a simple description if you want, but that's optional. The important part is that this page exists as a dedicated spot for everything you'd like out of sight. Now that your hidden page is set up, it's time to move the pages you want to hide. Go back to your sidebar and look through your existing pages. Find one that you don't want to see in your main list anymore, but still want to keep. Click and hold on that page in the sidebar, then drag it over to your new hidden page. When you hover over the hidden page, Notion will let you drop it inside, turning it into a subpage. Release your mouse to complete the move. Repeat this drag and drop process for every page you want to hide. As you do this, your main sidebar will start to look much cleaner, while all those pages are neatly stored inside the hidden page. You can collapse that page in the sidebar to keep everything tucked away, and expand it again whenever you need to access something you've stored there. And that's it. By creating one hidden page and dragging in the pages you don't need to see every day, you keep your Notion set up tidy without losing any information,